Today's strategy is really easy, guys. Just get this done and you'll get some profit for you. It won't be like $1 million each month, but it's some nice steady monthly income which you can enjoy. So hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. Of course, guys, wherever you live, this can be done, okay? If you live in Australia, if you live in Philippines, India, Nigeria, this can be done. You just have to take some action, okay? There's money all around the internet. You just have to take some action, guys, and then it's gonna come to you, okay? So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to partnerstack.com, okay? This is the thing which is gonna get us paid, and this is going in a way that you're gonna find an affiliate marketing stories on here. So this is Partner Stack, which has a lot of partners, hence the name, okay? The proof is in the partnerships, and these guys have this ecosystem with a lot of these certain companies that needs some affiliating, okay? So you can just go and you can just click on this one, book a demo, okay? And you can just make yourself a free account on this website, which is called Partner Stack. And trust me, your income with this is going to depend on your location, and it's going to depend on how much time you invest in this, okay? You have to set this up and it will grow your revenue fast, okay? So now you can just fill out the form to book a demo with our team. Of course, just complete this simple information. It is pretty much straightforward. I won't waste any more time on it, and then let's see you on the inside. So what you can do is you can actually go to Marketplace, okay? And you can explore. Now, what you're gonna get are all of these partners, all of these companies who are getting this partner stack in order to get those affiliates for themselves. And you can see that there are a lot of them. There are a lot of these websites, a lot of these companies who are partnered up with PartnerStack because they want to get those customers. They want to grow their revenue, they want to grow their customer base, and they just want to go out in the world, okay? They want to rank higher, they want to be one of the first guys ever. And what I want you to do, and don't feel confused with all of this, there are a lot of these companies. You can, of course, choose whichever one you want, but I would suggest if you just type in the search bar, Send in Blue, okay? This is gonna be the one. This Send in Blue. Just take a look at this. When you refer people to Send in Blue, you get $5 per new account created, and you get $100 per new paying client. So creating account on this website is of course free, and for all of those new accounts, this reward structure gives you $5 per new account. So this is gonna be very easy, guys, because people do not have to buy anything in order for you to get $5 per each one of those accounts, okay? But they have to pay something in order for you to get those $100, okay? But this is what we're after, $5. And just imagine, guys, if you get 100 people to sign up, only to sign up, that's $500 for you, okay? This seems like a nice option, really, guys. Send in Blue, it is a really good thing. You can just, as you can see, it works like this. Step 1, join program and get your referral link. Step 2 is share link on social media and more. And step 3 is get rewarded for promoting Send in Blue. You can just apply to program. Let me just kill this. It is bothering me. And then you will get those commissions, guys, okay? So just take a look at this. Of course, you can get PayPal or Stripe. I don't know what Stripe is. Maybe you do, but I don't. I can use just PayPal. And what I like the most about this website is that, just read this, unless otherwise stated, rewards or commissions last for the lifetime of the account. So that's a good thing, okay? For the lifetime, okay? You only need to set this up once and you have to traffic for it, okay? It's gonna be very easy. I'm gonna find you the traffic source. So just apply to this program and you're gonna be able to get $5 per new account only. Also, hit our subscribe button if you like our strategy already. Thank you. Now, another option is Get Response, okay? This is just powerful, simplified tool to send emails, create pages, and automate your marketing, okay? So Get Response, it is over at getresponse.com, and these guys also need some affiliate marketing, okay? They have a lot of partners, they are into some emails, and they want to get out in the world as well. You can see that they have pre-plans, but of course they have paid plans and some custom pricing, but you don't even have to go with that, okay? Just like as on Send in Blue, you have to get some people in here and you will get some money just for signups. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you can see affiliate programs. Okay, click on affiliate programs and you can see that you can get paid when you refer clients to get response. Okay, two great programs to choose from. You can get this one, affiliate recurring program, and you will get continuous commissions of 33% every month, okay? Or you can choose this affiliate bounty programs upfront commission of $100 per sale, and you choose now if you want to get this one or if you want to get this one. I prefer this one because I like continuous commission, okay? That's how I easily manage my money because I like to get those continuously, and then you can involve yourself into this as well. So Get Response, it is a email marketing tool, and you can go on youtube.com and you can just type in email marketing tools and you can find certain videos for it. And for example, you can find some which has a lot of views, okay? Just go and do a bit of a research, okay? So this first guy has 217k views and it's a good thing. So what you can do with this video is you can go inside of it and you don't have to watch it entirely. You can just click on share button and then you can just copy this link. Then what you can do is you can go on Google Sites, okay? You know what Google Sites is? It is going to help you build a website with click and drag and drop. So what you want to do when you get here, just click on blank, make a new page, and then you just have to make yourself a website. Of course, you have a lot of tutorials, and what you want to do is you can just make a title like make money online, okay? You can do it like that, and then in here, you just have to embed a video. Click on embed, and then just paste that link of that YouTube video, okay? That's what you have to do. You'll get a thumbnail, you can insert that, and you can position that wherever you want on this website. And of course, now just make this a little bit more nicer, make it nice looking so it can be attractive. So now you're just gonna publish this website with the click of a button, okay? Now, what we can do is we can go to facebook.com, and you know that Facebook has a lot of traffic during 1 month, and that is exactly the thing which we are gonna take advantage of, okay? So you can go and you can tap and make money online. You can just tap that and then go over to groups over here, okay? You can see that there are a lot of these groups and people are gathering here for a reason, okay? Then you can just engage with the people in these groups. You can just be friendly, be nice with them, just be honest and tell them that they can use Get Response and that they can use Sendinblue to get that money, okay? But all with your referral link, okay? Just put them out there. You will, of course, paste that link on your Google Sites, and then whenever someone clicks on it, they will just firstly sign up, and then they're going to do the strategy that you have told them. But firstly, they're going to sign up on that account, on that Sendinblue, and all of these people are going to make you $5 each, okay? That is the strategy, okay? It is going to be very easy. You just have to invest a bit of your time, and that's going to be it. Partner Stack is going to help you. Sendinblue, this is the one that you want to get. And of course, GetResponse.com. Just use them all, and I'll catch you guys later.